Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the database where tasks live and adding the essential properties you need to assign work. Add a person field for assignees, a date for due dates, status for progress, and priority to sort. Once those properties exist, create default views, board for stages, table for bulk edits. Make sure to decide how you'll assign, manual pick, simple round robin, or filtered assignment by skill. This gets you from setup straight into assigning tasks without extra steps. You now assign tasks using fast actions that save time. Select multiple rows and set the person property to assign several tasks at once. Use multi-select where helpful. If you prefer visual flow, drag cards to a person column in board view and the person field fills automatically. Once done, use a task template that pre-populates person, status, and due date so new items need minimal edits. Make sure to update priority and add a short note explaining expectations. You finish by communicating assignments and verifying workload so nothing slips. Open a task, mention the person, and paste a checklist or link to specs. This creates a clear handoff. Then filter by person and status to confirm that no one is overloaded and adjust due dates if needed. If an assignment doesn't stick, check that the person property is the correct type and that you have edit permission. Switching a property type or permission fix will resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.